Hi, grade threes, Mr. Straighten here. Hope you're having a fabulous long weekend. I hope you've gotten outside and enjoyed the beautiful weather that we've had. This coming week, we have a little bit of a different schedule in terms of classwork and assignments, and so I just wanted to go over the expectations for this week. Because it's a short week and because we've been doing this for a while, we thought it'd be a good week to maybe lessen the load and allow for some of those that still have past assignments not submitted to spend some time working on those assignments. And so I just want to show you how to find out what is missing. Okay, and so just like usual, we go into our classroom and then we click on classwork. And just so you know, there still is assignments for this week. Okay, so you can't see them yet. Sorry, I was clicking through to see if they were there. But there are a few assignments this week, but only about half as many as usual, just so that you can catch up doing past assignments. Now, to see what is missing and what you've done, all you do is you go on to view work. And so you click on that and it takes you to this page right here. Now this page will show you all of your assignments that we've done throughout the whole year of having Google Classroom. Some of them are optional and others not. Assignments that say missing means you haven't done them. Assignments that have a check mark mean that you have handed them in or you've done them. And of course, turned in means you've turned them in. So what you want to do is just go in. Anything that says assigned, you haven't done yet either. And so if they're bold or if they say missing, then those are the ones you're going to click on and find out what work you need to do. Again, if it's optional, please don't spend your time doing the optional assignments unless you've finished all of the other assignments. Now, there is another way to do it as well to see what's just missing, and that is to come over on the box on the left. I'm not going to click it for us because this is someone's private account, but if you click on missing, that'll take you also to a page that shows what hasn't been handed in from past weeks. So I hope that's fairly clear. The last thing I just want to mention is some of you have turned in assignments, but they may be missing an attachment, or you might have some corrections to do or some comments made by the teachers. I don't know if you've really looked at those. So another thing you can also do, because we have a little bit of extra time, is to go through the assignments either on this page or going in through this page and just clicking them to see if we've left you a comment and if there's any changes you need to make to past assignments, and then you resubmit them. All right, well, I hope you have a wonderful week. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye for now.